Figma Slice Tool for Carousel. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop and search for Google Chrome, using the taskbar search feature. Launch the Google Chrome browser application and wait for it to load completely. In the browser search bar, type Figma and select the official Figma website from the search results. Make sure you're already logged into your Figma account so you can access your files and editing tools. After signing in, the Figma main page will load in your browser. To use the Slice tool for creating a carousel, open one of your recent projects from the dashboard. Once selected, the edit page of your project will appear on the screen. Locate the Region Tools option in the toolbar and choose Slice from the available tools. Move your cursor to the edge of a layer you want to divide, positioning it at the starting point you want to mark. Click and hold the mouse button, then drag your cursor across approximately 1/3 of the layer. Release the mouse button to create the first slice area. Next, press Ctrl+D on your keyboard to duplicate the selected slice. Click and drag the duplicated slice so that it covers the second third of the layer. After positioning the second slice, press Ctrl+D again. Figma will automatically duplicate the slice and place it in a position that fills the remaining portion of the layer. At this stage, the layer should be divided into 3 separate slices of equal size. Select all the slices you have just created by clicking each one. Once they are selected, choose the Export option from the available settings. In the Export panel, locate the 1x section and change it to match the number of slices you created. For example, if your design has been divided into 3 slices, set the value to 3. Click Export Layers, and Figma will automatically save each slice as a separate file, giving you 3 individual images that are ready to be used as carousel posts.